In this video, I'm going to be covering how I use these 8 steps to make millions of dollars. While trading time for money provides a steady and predictable source of income, it also has its limitations. Your earning potential is often capped by the number of hours you can physically work, and there may be limited opportunities for significant financial growth. Additionally, you may have limited control over your work schedule and tasks. Many people explore alternative income streams and business opportunities to break free from this traditional model. Entrepreneurship, investments, and online ventures, for example, can provide avenues to generate income that isn't solely tied to the number of hours worked. These endeavors allow individuals to leverage their skills, creativity, and resources to create scalable income streams, ultimately offering more flexibility, potential for financial growth, and independence compared to traditional employment. This is necessary to start building a cash flow and asset base. Budgeting is a crucial and financial management practice that helps individuals allocate income wisely to meet various financial goals and priorities. In this scenario we've described, let's break down the budgeting process for someone working a job at McDonald's earning $400 per week. Investing in stocks, $150 per week. Allocating a portion of your income to invest in stocks is a wise financial move. It allows your money to potentially grow over time through the power of compound interest. Regularly investing $150 a week can lead to significant savings in the long term, especially if you choose well-performing stocks or utilize investment strategies like dollar cost averaging. Historically, the S&P 500 has returned 8% per year. Business investment, $100 per week. Allocating funds to your own business or side venture is an excellent way to build additional income streams. This investment can cover business expenses, marketing efforts, or product development, ultimately contributing to the growth and success of your entrepreneurial endeavor. Your savings account, $50 per week. Saving a portion of your income is essential for building an emergency fund, achieve long-term financial goals, or simply having a financial safety net. Consistently setting aside $50 per week can gradually build up your savings and provide a peace of mind in case of an unexpected expense arrive. Personal spending, $100 per week. Now this may be a bit high, but setting aside some money for your personal spending is crucial for maintaining a balanced lifestyle. This category covers expenses like entertainment, dining out, hobbies, and any discretionary spending. Having a designated budget for your personal enjoyment allows you to enjoy the fruits of your labor without compromising your financial goals. Building a capital base, such as accumulating $1,000 in savings, is an essential step towards achieving financial stability and pursuing future financial goals. To do this, it is crucial to work diligently and consistently, whether through your primary job or a side hustle, and practice financial discipline by consistently setting aside a portion of your earnings. Engaging in side hustles such as lawn mowing or car detailing can supplement your income and increase it and help accelerate your savings. Additionally, optimizing your spending habits through budgeting and expense reduction, as we talked about, is equally important. Break down your savings goal into smaller milestones. Automate savings transfers and regularly track your progress to stay motivated on your financial journey. Building a capital base not only establishes a financial safety net, but also opens up opportunities for future investments and financial growth. Exploring and acquiring new skills online can open up various avenues for income generation and career development. Whether you're interested in day trading, dropshipping, Amazon FBA, freelancing, or other online opportunities, the digital landscape opens a wealth of resources to help you acquire the necessary knowledge and expertise you may need. For those intrigued by day trading, it is essential to delve deep into understanding financial markets, technical analysis, risk management. Day trading can be highly profitable, but it's also a field where continuous learning and practice is crucial. Dropshipping presents an e-commerce model that allows entrepreneurs to sell products online without having inventory. To succeed, you need to grasp product sourcing, e-commerce platforms, and effective marketing strategies. Amazon FBA also offers another e-commerce avenue involving product sourcing and utilizing Amazon's vast distribution network. Freelancing provides the flexibility for you to offer your skills as services to clients on a project basis. Depending on your expertise, you can explore the fields of writing, graphic design, web development, and more. Research and hone your skills in your chosen niche to build a strong freelancing career. The key is to conduct thorough research and possibly explore introductory courses or resources in each area to determine where your interests and skills align. Once you've identified your niche, you can then take the next steps forward to developing your expertise and potentially turning these skills into a source of income or even a full-fledged career path. Online platforms and courses and communities can provide valuable guidance and support as you embark on the journey of skill acquisition and income generation. Expanding your skill set and finding opportunities to generate additional income beyond your primary job is a wise approach to financial growth. With many hours available outside of your job, you can explore service-based skills that have the potential to scale your income. Consider learning skills like video editing, YouTube thumbnail design, or other digital services that are in demand and can be offered to a broad client base. For instance, mastering video editing allows you to cater to content creators, businesses, or individuals looking to enhance their online presence through video content. Similarly, becoming proficient in creating eye-catching YouTube thumbnails can serve as a valuable service for content creators seeking to boost their click-through rates and viewership. The scalability of these skills lies in your ability to market your services online, build a client base, and take on multiple projects simultaneously. As you gain experience and develop a portfolio, you can gradually increase your rates and expand your reach, potentially turning your skill into a lucrative hustle or even full-time venture. Investing time and effort into acquiring such service-based skills not only diversifies your income streams, but also offers the flexibility to work on your own terms and utilize your available hours efficiently. Additionally, the digital economy offers numerous resources and courses available and communities to help you learn and excel in these skill areas, making it accessible for anyone looking to expand their income opportunities. Quitting your job to fully commit to your entrepreneurial journey signifies a major milestone in your quest for financial independence. Before making this leap, it is essential to ensure you are financially prepared with a safety net to cover living expenses during the transition phase. This buffer can provide a peace of mind as you navigate the initial challenges of running your own business full-time. As your business continues to grow and thrive, it is crucial to focus on scalability, seek new clients, fine-tune your processes, and consider outsourcing tasks to maximize the efficiency and productivity. By outsourcing, you can free up valuable time to concentrate on higher value activities that drive your business growth. Expanding your operation may also involve hiring employees or freelancers to handle increased demand. Identify specific roles and tasks that can be delegated to a team and initiate a hiring process when it aligns with your business growth trajectory and financial capabilities. Throughout this transition, it is essential to address legal and regulatory considerations, such as registering your business, understanding tax obligations, and complying with labor laws. Seeking professional advice, such as from an attorney or accountant, can be beneficial during this phase. Ultimately, quitting your job and building a thriving business can offer financial rewards, personal fulfillment, and the freedom to shape your own professional path. Launching a product-based business is a strategic move that offers scalability and the potential for passive income generation. Unlike service-based businesses that heavily rely on your direct involvement, a product-based business allows you to create an asset that operates in the background, paying dividends over time. To embark on this journey, start by identifying a niche with a demand, conducting thorough market research, and developing a high quality and unique product. Ensuring your product addresses the needs and preferences of your target audience. Once your product is ready, focus on effective marketing and distribution strategies to reach a wider customer base. As your product gains traction, you can scale your business, potentially leading to financial stability and long-term income growth. Then once you've done all that, investing your wealth is wise, and it's a key step towards financial security and growth. One popular investment option is the S&P 500, a broad stock market index that historically has delivered an average annual return of about 8%. By investing $1 million in the S&P 500, you can potentially earn an extra $80,000 per year on average without actively managing your investments. One powerful aspect of long-term investment is the compounding effect. As your investments generate returns, those returns can themselves generate additional returns, leading to exponential growth over time. For example, after 12 years of investing your initial $1 million in the S&P 500, you could double your yearly dividend payout to $160,000 per year, and this growth can continue to accelerate. However, it is essential to keep in mind that all investments carry risk, and past performance is not indicative of the future results. Diversifying your investment portfolio and seeking professional advice can help you make an informed decision and mitigate risks while working towards your financial goals. These have been the 8 steps that I've used in order to get to $1 million and what to do once you get the $1 million. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.